I'm going to be showing you how to register to Halifax Bank. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. To register for Halifax Bank online, we need to do is use the mobile app. So it's the easiest way, or you can also try using the website by providing personal account information, creating a username. So let's get through this step by step. If you want to download the app, just go to your app library and go to your app store. As you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and tap here and now search for Halifax. And once you've done that, you can see this option right here. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on Get. Just verify yourself and the download process should begin. Once you have downloaded the app, just go ahead and open it and wait for it to load. So if you're already a customer, just go ahead and tap on this button right there that says let's get you signed in. But if you're trying to register, then just tap on this option that says open a bank account with us. Just tap here and the option should load. Tap on apply for a current account. If not, you can try the other option. Tap on agree to all and select the option that says if you already have an account, credit card, loan or mortgage with Halifax. Not, then just tap on no or new customer and select that will best describe how you'll use this account. So once you're here, just enter your other details by tapping on next. Enter the first name, your middle name. It should be the same as your passport name, so enter your last name as well. Select your gender, enter your title and your phone number, and enter your email address. Once you've done that, you need to enter your date of birth as well and enter the country of your birth and tap on next. And it'll ask you more questions about yourself. You just need to enter them as you go, and slowly you will successfully be able to register for your Halifax bank account. So that's how easy it is. And after you register, you can view accounts, make payments and manage finances. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.